Hi, this is Juan with Canadian Solar. I'm here with Dan Richardson. We're going to be doing a test here for the Canadian Solar T4 connector. So what we're going to do is actually attach 20 pounds to the connector and go ahead with the description of the actual test.
So what we're going to do is we're going to replicate UL 1703's strain relief test, where a connector has to withstand 1 minute, 20 pounds, and it can't damage the connector wire or the module itself. And so we'll leave the T4 connector with the 20 pounds of weight to see how she performs.
Now that we have seen the T4 connector pass the standard UL strain relief test, we're going to see how much weight it can hold while comparing it to another connector in the marketplace. As you can see here, Dan will attach weights to both the T4 connector and the other connector in 20-pound increments. At the 20-second mark, the T4 connector already has 40 pounds attached to it. At 35 seconds, the T4 connector has 60 pounds attached to it. At 59 seconds, the T4 connector has 80 pounds attached to it. We will leave the 80 pounds on while we continue the test with the other connector. The other connector side just had 60 pounds attached to it, less than the T4. Within 16 seconds, the other connector breaks at 60 pounds, while the T4 connector continues to withstand the 80-pound weight. The other connector's pins actually broke off on both sides. Here's a piece of the pin that actually broke off from the connector, while you can see the T4 connector continues to hang with 80 pounds.